FIFA World Cup without me is not worth watching.
But the lion cannot miss the hunt.
I will qualify on my own and I will dominate.
Surely you have to be registered in a squad.
Regulations are for the regular players. I am Zlatan.
He's not on the wall. I still there's a lot of.
You know why?
rooms.
Because they still don't know how God is looking.
A lot of athletes will take out a full-page ad. Usually when they leave, they thank the city, for everything. But you took one out as you got started, and it says, "Dear Los Angeles, you're welcome."
Right now, you're the best player in Major League Soccer. There's another player in Los Angeles, Carlos Vela. In this moment, he's got 19 goals, 12 assists, and his team is leading Major League Soccer. Do you still consider yourself the best player in Major League Soccer?
By far. Because if he's in his prime, how old is he?
Carlos Vela's 29.
29. He's playing in MLS and he's in his prime. When I was 29, where was I?
Yeah, you were in Europe.
Big difference.
Yes. Yeah.
Exactly.